Hello students, today we are going to see chapter number 4, Journal of Standard 11 Commerce subject account. So in our last video we have seen the transaction related to all types of transaction, and here again we are going to see some more transaction related to GST. So today we will see GST. As we know, and we have studied in chapter number 3 transaction related to GST. In that we have seen at the time of purchase and when the purchase is from inside the state, we are paying CGST, SGST. If the purchase is from outside the state, we are paying IGST. And if there is a purchase, we are debiting input CGST, SGST and input SGST. And at the time of sales, we are crediting output CGST, SGST, IGST. So we have to keep that in mind and we have to start the journal entry related to GST. Let's see the sum. Sum number 30 is here. Past journal entry. The following transaction in the books of Sri Ashwin Patel of Ahmedabad for January 2019. CGST is 6% and SGST is 6% are applicable to the business transaction of Sri Ashwin Patel. At the time, IGST 12% is applicable. GST is not included in the following transaction. Pass the entry by adding applicable GST. So here they are asking us to prepare journal in the books of Sri Ashwin Patel. So journal entry. In the books of Sri Ashwin Patel. Here we are going to prepare journal entry in the books of Ashwin Patel. So example number 13, date, particular, ledger folio number, debit rupees, credit rupees. Date, particular, ledger folio number, debit rupees, credit rupees. So here, let's start the journal. Very first transaction is it. On 1st January, goods of rupees 10,000 is purchased from Suresh Rai of Surat and railway freight 2,000 and 500 labor are paid by check. So here we have purchased goods from Surat, that is within the state. So CGST, SGST is applicable and we have purchased the goods. So input CGST, IGST. So for that our journal entry will be purchase account debit, railway freight account debit, labor account debit, input CGST account debit, input SGST account debit to bank. So let's pass that journal entry 2019 January 1st and purchase account debit, railway freight account debit, wages account debit, input C GST account debit. Input I GST account and input S GST account debit. 2. Bank account. Here we have to calculate the amount of GST. For that, see here we have purchased the goods of 10,000. Then we have paid the railway freight 2,000 and wages of 500. So total is 12,500 and 6% of 12,500 will be 750. So this is how we have to calculate the GST. 6% of 12,500, that will be 750 and total amount will be 14,000 that we are going to pay by the bank. So this is the journal entry for the first transaction, being goods of rupees 10,000 purchased inclusive of GST. Now let's see the second transaction, that is goods of rupees 8,000 purchased from Amul Bay of Anand. So here again we have purchased the goods on 4th and here this purchase is credit purchase. So purchase account debit, input C GST account debit, input S GST account debit to Amul Bay. That journal entry is supposed to be pass. As we know that we have purchased the goods of 8,000 and 6% of 8,000 will be 480. So this is how we are going to calculate the GST and here the total of that will be 8,960, being goods of rupees 8,000 purchased from Amul Bay. That's it. So this was the second transaction. Now let's see the third transaction, that is on 7th. Goods of rupees 15,000 purchased from Rajesh Bhai of Jaipur and amount paid by check. So here this is the purchase from outside the state and for that we are going to pay input IGST. So here purchase account debit, input IGST account debit to bank. That journal entry is supposed to be pass. Let's see the next 7 number, purchase account debit, input IGST account debit, bank account and that amount is 15,000 and 12% of 15,000 will be 1,800 and total will be 16,800, being goods of rupees 15,000 purchased from Rajesh Bhai. So that is. Now let's see the next transaction and that is goods of rupees 12,000 purchased from Manoj Bhai of Mumbai. So this is the credit transaction and for that purchase account debit, Again, this is outside state. So we are going to debit input IGST account. So purchase account debit, input IGST account debit to Manoj Bhai account. That journal entry we are going to pass. So for 9, purchase account debit, input IGST account debit to Manoj Bhai account. Here the amount is at 12,000 and 12% of 12,000 will be, amount is at 12,000, 12% of 12,000 will be 1440 and total will be 13,440, being goods of rupees 12,000 purchased from Manoj Bhai, purchased from Manoj Bhai. So for that, now let's see the next, that is 10, goods of rupees 2,000 returned by Amul Bhai of Anand. So here for 10th, for the 10th, here we can see that Amul Bhai of Anand, he has returned, we have returned him a goods. Here we have purchased goods from Amul Bhai, that goods we have returned him back. So it is a purchase return. For purchase return, Amul Bhai account is going to be debit and purchase return account is going to be credit. And here input CGST, input SGST account also is going to be credit. So journal entry will be Amul Bhai account debit to purchase return account to input CGST account to input SGST account. So here the goods is of rupees 2,000 and the 6% of 2,000 will be 120. So the total amount that is going to be debit to the Amul Bhai account, it will be 2,240. So that is being goods of rupees 2,000 returned to Amul Bhai. So for that, now let's see the next transaction. Goods of rupees 3,000 returned to Manoj Bhai of Mumbai. So here we have purchased the goods from Manoj Bhai of Mumbai and that goods also we have returned and the amount is at 3,000. So for that, Manoj Bhai account is going to be debit to purchase return to input IGST account. That journal entry we are going to pass. Manoj Bhai account debit to purchase return account to input IGST account. So here the goods is of rupees 3,000 and 12% of 3,000 will be 360. So that is going to be debited to Manoj Bhai account 3,360 that we are going to debit, being goods of rupees 3,000 returned to Manoj Bhai. That's it. Now let's see the next transaction. Next transaction is of date number 15. Date 15. Goods of rupees 15,000 sold to Keval Bhai of Kesod and payment is received by check. So here Kesod is in Gujarat. So this is the transaction where we have sold the goods in Gujarat. So output CGST, output SGST account is going to be credit here. We have received money through bank. So bank account debit to sales account to output CGST, output SGST. That journal entry is supposed to be passed. So that is the 15. Bank account debit to sales account to output CGST account to output SGST account. Here we have sold the goods of rupees 15,000. So here 15,000 and 6% of 15,000 will be 900. So 900 and 900. So total will be 16,800. Here being goods of rupees 15,000. Goods of rupees 15,000 sold for cash and payment received through check. So for that, now let's see the next. Next is a 17, and that goods of rupees 20,000 sold to Vinod Bhai of Valsad. Railway freight 1,000 and 1,000 of which is paid on his behalf. So here we have made the sales, but this sales is credit sales. So Vinod Bhai account debit to sales to railway freight to Vinod Bhai account debit to sales account, and here we have paid railway freight and wages on behalf of him. So we are going to pay by the cash. So to cash account to output CGST and output SGST. That journal entry is supposed to be passed. Vinod Bhai account debit to sales account to cash account to output CGST account to output SGST account. Here we have made the sales of rupees 20,000 and we have paid cash of rupees 2,000, and the GST that is going to be on 22,000, 6% of 22,000 will be 1320, and total of this will be 24,640. So this is how we supposed to pass the journal entry. Here being goods of rupees 20,000 sold to Vinod Bhai. So student, you may note down this. Then we are going to see some more transaction of this type. Goods of rupees 12,000 sold to Dinesh Bhai of Delhi and payment received by check. So here we have sold the goods and for that we have received the check. So bank account debit to sales to, here we have sold the goods outside the Gujarat. So it will be output IGST. So that journal entry is supposed to be passed on date 20. Here we have received the money through bank. So bank account debit to sales account to output IGST account. Okay. So for that goods of rupees 12,000 we have sold. So here sales account 12,000 and IGST will be at 12%. So that will be 1440 and total of this will be 13,440. 40. Being goods of rupees 12,000 sold on cash. So for that, now let's see the next transaction, that is of date 22. Goods of rupees 18,000 sold to Bhavesh Bhai of Bhopal. So here we have sold the goods outside the state, but here the outside state, that means output IGST, but here we have sold the goods on credit. So for that we are going to debit the Bhavesh Bhai account. So Bhavesh Bhai account debit to sales account to output IGST account. Here we have sold the goods of rupees 18,000. So that will be 18,000 and 12% of 18,000 will be 2160. So that will be 2160 and total of this will be 2160. So that is going to be debited to Bhavesh Bhai account. Here being goods of rupees 18,000 sold to Bhavesh Bhai. For that, okay. Now let's see the next transaction, and next transaction is of date 25. Goods of rupees 2,500 of original cost written by Vinod Bhai of Valsad. So here original cost means we have to calculate the GST on it. So here it is a sales return, and for sales return we know the sales return account is going to be debit. Sales return account debit. Output CGST account debit. Output SGST account debit to Vinod Bhai account. So here the goods of rupees 2,500 and 6% of 2,500 will be 150 and total goods total amount that is going to be credited to Vinod Bhai will be 2,800. And here being goods of rupees 2,500 returned by Vinod Bhai. So that is, now let's see the last transaction. Goods of rupees 3,000 returned by Bhavesh Bhai of Bhopal. So it is again the sales return. So sales return account debit. Output IGST account debit. Here IGST because it is outside the Gujarat. So output IGST account debit to here who has written the goods? Bhavesh Bhai. So Bhavesh Bhai account credit. Here the goods is of rupees 3,000. So sales return will be of 3,000 and here IGST 12% will be 360. So total amount will be 3,360. Being goods of rupees 3,000 returned by Bhavesh Bhai. And now here our all transaction is finished. So here we are going to make the total of this, and the total is 1,40,000. So that we are going to make the total, and we are going to write total here. So student, this sum is over. Thank you for watching this